Hello everyone, it's Tim from Twocanoes. I have done some work on the Arduino to be able to make it automatically launch workflows on a Mac to be able to boot the recovery mode and then launch a script. So I want to show you that command line interface I've been working on. I just have the serial emulator here and I have Arduino, and I'm going to plug it to the USB port on my Mac. You can see it says connected and that says press return to enter configuration mode. So now you go into configuration mode. If you want help, just type help, and you can see there's a show the current settings, reset to defaults, reboot the device, set the command that you want to run once it's in terminal in the recovery partition, and do the startup to show the startup delay, or set the startup delay. So first thing I'll do is I'll just do a show, and you see the command that's going to run is volumes Mac to play stick run, which is kind of the default. But let's say that you renamed your hard drive or your SSD something else. You called it, I don't know, something like external. So we can use the command set command and then just say volumes external run. Now if I do a show again, you can see that this is now changed. The startup delay is the amount of time after command R is held to get into the recovery partition before it launches the terminal. So let's say we want, for testing, we want to reduce this down to 1 second. So we just do set startup delay, and we'll make that 1 second. We'll so show, and that's all written to non-volatile RAM, so it will store these settings. In fact, why don't I go ahead and run the reboot command, and you can see that it'll reconnect. I'll hit return to go back to configuration mode and do show, and you can see my settings are saved there. So let me go ahead and reboot, and I won't actually hit return, so you can actually see what it does. So it'll time out, then it'll start, it'll press command R, you can see the screen flashing. That's just how it's an unknown key. And then I'll do the commands to launch the terminal, which is just going to kind of random here in the serial, but that would be normally navigating the GUI to launch terminal. And then it ran my command that would be in terminal in the recovery partition. If I wanted to go back in and do some more configuration, I'll just disconnect the device, reconnect it, and it should connect back up, hit return, and now if I do help, you can see that there's a reset command, or actually let me do a show first. We'll do a reset, do show again, you can see it's resetted to defaults. Okay, so that's a quick demo on the Arduino configuration, and the idea isn't that you're going with the command line to do this, but rather this is all going to be done through the Mac to play stick to program these commands in, as well as flash this Arduino device. So you get it, you plug it in, and then you can set the settings to the UI. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.